at Hibachi Grill. Check this food out at Hibachi Grill. What's going on, YouTube? Down here at the Hibachi Grill. Y'all check that old food out. Now it's time for me to do my food review. Got me 2 chicken legs, some shrimp, and some old potatoes. Just finna see what it do. Go with the shrimp first. Shrimp hot. Shrimp pretty hot. Taste again. Got a nice little flavor. Ain't crunchy. Cooked pretty good. I get a 9. Go to the chicken leg. See what it's crunching like. Woo! That mother juicy. That's good. That's a 10 out of a 10. That bad boy hot. Ooh, that bad boy hot. That's enough of that. Here's old potato. Soft. Now y'all need to come on down here to Hibachi Grill, Lowe'sville Road in Nashville, Tennessee. Everything is fresh and hot. This chicken leg again. Peace out.